Hey guys, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So finally done and dusted with group 1. Now it's turn for group number 2. And I hope all your group 1 papers you have attempted very well and you must be expecting some really good marks. Okay, now it's turn for group 2, and in the group 2 first paper is cost and management accounting. You people are already the masters of cost and management accounting, isn't it? Yes sir. Okay, now I'll quickly tell you what you should be doing in the next 1.5 days. That is the time that you have before your paper. The first thing that you have to do is stay calm and composed. That is the most important thing, that you should be staying calm, because that will definitely help in your better attempt of the examination. Okay, let's coming to the point. After you're back from your taxation paper, the first thing that you have to do is take some rest. Then revise all the concepts. Because in these 1.5 days your main focus should be on the conceptual part, right? You should be revising all your concepts of the cost accounting. Start with the day you come after the taxation exam, focus on one big chapter, then cover small chapters. You can pick up overhead costing, and after that you can do cost sheet, you can do activity based costing, unit and batch costing, job costing. Small chapters you can complete in one go, right? After you have done with that, pick up your ICI module. In the ICI module, if during the revisions you people have marked certain important questions, that okay, this question is really important and we have to go through this question during this 1.5 days before, just before the examination, just go through with these questions, right? The most important questions, or the questions which you feel are the toughest ones, just pick up those questions. Do not go for the whole module. Third thing that you have to do is what? The third thing that you have to do is the latest RTPs you can go through, the selected questions in that, and the MTP that you must have already done. Just do the selected questions out of it. If you have done, if you have time, then go for the complete RTP, MTP. That is not an issue with you, right? The most important thing is to focus on the concepts. Whatever the concepts you have already studied, please focus on those concepts. Ultimately, in the examination, the concepts are going to work. Now, sir, please tell us the order in which we can cover the chapters. You can start with after taxation. You will be very much tired, all those who are preparing for both the groups, right? So for those people, they can pick up with overhead costing, right? One of the important chapters. Overhead costing, material costing, these two chapters cover first. Then you can go for activity based costing, cost sheet, unit and batch costing. Then you can go for job costing, right? Cover small chapters. Next day morning, when you are absolutely fresh, start with the bigger chapters, right? The bigger chapters like process costing, joint and byproduct, standard costing, marginal, budgetary, service, then labor costing you can cover, right? So depending upon your mind frame, if you are really tired, pick up the small chapters, complete the small chapters. At least you will have satisfaction that I have covered certain amount of the chapters, right? And if you are not really tired, your mind is absolutely fresh, then you can go for the bigger chapters. Standard costing, marginal costing. Sir, can we skip any chapter? No, you cannot skip even a single chapter. Each and every chapter is going to be really important, especially marginal costing, budgetary. These are the chapters which institute is asking a lot of questions. Now please do not skip any chapter, right? Sir, what about the theory part? Theory, all those who are having my books, they can cover it from the books. The additional theory part is there, they can go through that part. And the remaining thing that you can do is the latest RTP, MTP, whatever the theory is there, just cover that much of theory. Do not take too much of attention and try to attempt 100% of the practical part, right? Rest, if you want the revision part for any topic, if you feel like we are not confident, we want to revise that topic, I will be putting up the video links in the Telegram group as well as Telegram channel, and I will try to put it below this video also, right? I have the revision videos, material costing, labor costing, overhead costing. This revision videos are there. I recorded for CMA. The same is for CA. The syllabus is same. So I'll put up those videos in the Telegram. You can join the Telegram group and channel, as well as I will give the old. I have one old 3-hour marathon In 3 hours, all the concepts were done. The relay run of cost accounting, but that is available in Hindi only. So I'll put up that also in the Telegram group and channel, right? So see you guys. All the best. Stay calm, stay composed. All of you have already done really wonderful work with your preparations in the last few months, and it's time just for the right execution. And right execution will take place only if you are in the right frame of mind. So that is really, really important, right? So all the best, guys, for your examination. In case of any queries, I'll be available on Telegram, and for my paid course students, I'll be available on WhatsApp also, right? So see you guys. All the best for the paper. See you guys after the cost accounting paper. Bye-bye.